Doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right. 'Cause we struck gold in the shadow.
Hey guys, so we've left Townsville. We're on our way up to Mission Beach for the night tonight. It's Zander's birthday, 7 today. Happy birthday, Zed. Thanks. We got done with COVID last year on his birthday. This year it's bloody trouble on the road. Anyway, we're starting to see some signs like cyclone shelter and crocodiles, no swimming, a few different things. But
and we're watching out for cassowaries at the moment because apparently this is their crossing zone, but we haven't come across one yet.
that's it. So yeah, we're about to pull into the big 4 at Mission Beach. We'll let you know how it is.
See you guys.
Come here, birthday boy. First birthday in Mission Beach. How does it feel?
Good.
Good.
Just keep a smile, hold your head up high. I promise it works every time. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life.
You can't come to Mission Beach without climbing a palm tree. Oh, so nimble.
Say hi.
It's not that high.
Go and have a crack.
That's what you're looking at from behind. So slippery.
It is daunting, eh?
Oh my god, the feet are so slippery.
As soon as you go up a few steps,
You start getting the
it feels so high, doesn't it?
Oh my god, I don't know where to go from here. I don't know how to get down. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna get. Oh my god. Wait. Yeah. Maybe this is not the appropriate clothing to wear. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Can people climb these things? This is ridiculous. I don't know how my clothes.
So elegant, hun.
Show me your coconuts.
Coconut. Ready? Take it.
You can hear it.
Should try and crack it open.
Oh, Charmander.
Look at you, you native human.
Dad, go like.
Going heavy duty with a drill. Go, babe. Oh, yeah. Go.
Dad,
Does it taste good?
Yeah, it's like real coconut. It tastes
Coconut
like
water.
when you eat real coconut.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How good? That's awesome.
Let's go inside. Nice, Dad.
There we go.
Can I have some?
Yeah, let's put it there and we'll rinse it.
I know. Huh? See? Grab a piece.
That's coconut. Look out. This is the last time Erina didn't have a hole in her hand.
Slip out of my hands.
Yeah, but your hands. Oh, slowly, slowly, slowly. Alright, now reverse. Yeah.
Dad.
You gotta drink it now.
No, I don't even like coconut water.
I'll drink it.
There's a bit of stuff around there.
It tastes good, but you get stuff in your mouth. Need a straw.
Yeah, if we had straws, how good would that be?
Yeah, we should next time. We'll have to bring straws next time. If it turns left, I'm running. 4 days being here, seeing 2 cassowaries. And as well.
Just been down to Paradise Run at Mission Beach, which I googled Park Run Mission Beach, but they don't have one here. And went down there and they had a charity day on, raising money for breast cancer. And yeah, I just entered the 5K and on the podium, back on the podium. Yeah, it's called Cassowary Multisport Club, and they do a weekly 3K and a 5K options, and the kids got lolly bags at the end, and they had raffle giveaways from the local businesses and stuff like that. So yeah, sick community event, really proud to be a part of it. It was good.
Awesome. Well done, honey. Come on first.
Woohoo, back on the podium.
Woo! You can see
Weird
it.
that it's a place called Alligators something in a croc area, and we're like, oh yeah, you can go in.
How does it feel?
Freezing.
If you
Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right. 'Cause we struggle.
Yeah. We passed Dead Horse Creek. I'm not sure we'll probably go that one.
And we went.
This one, we'll probably give a go though.
Dead Horse Creek doesn't sound the
But
best.
let's go try the spa pools.
Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. I just wanna spend every day with you. Happy with the little things we do. Just keep a smile.
One night stay in Paronella Park. We're just reversing to go and check in. The lady came and gave us car door service. So we are just, yep, you're right, she said. We are just pulling in now. It is an old Spanish castle, but we cannot wait to do the tour and show you around and learn all about it. But it is pretty amazing, and we're super excited to be here for the night for Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yay! This is amazing. This is so cool. We're going to walk through the grounds of Jose Paronella's house that he built for his wife and his family in the 1940s, and it is truly epic. If you are ever here in the tropical North Queensland area, you have to make a stop here at Paronella Park. Woo! At the counter you can get fish food to feed the eels, the turtles and the fish. Oh my goodness. Look, they're crawling out. Look at all these, babe. Look how many turtles there are.
Oh my god.
No, look here. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Oh, can you go up this one?
Bam, bam. Mom.
So many cool separate sections here. Got a little map that maps it all out. And we just heard before the people that took over this to restore it were into it for 4 weeks, giving some tours of what it was like at that time, which was really overgrown. And then I think Teresa Paronella rocked up in her car and goes, "This is my family's old property. Let me show you how everything was when 30 years prior to that." So they did a full map out of the property, and they're still restoring it today to how it was back then. So it's pretty cool. I think the highlight is that it's not that long ago. Like, the people that are restoring it now bought the property while they were traveling Australia in 1993. So for me, I was in primary school at that time. It wasn't like hundreds of years ago, but still so beautiful. Honestly, be in Europe.
I know. It's insane. I'm in love. I want to own this property. Night tour.
Show us, can you walk to the end? Awesome.
On our way down to Zillie Falls, we can hear it.
I was about to say that.
Let's go check it out.
Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times.
Waterfall chasing in the rain.
Bunnings umbrellas coming in handy.
Oh yeah, they're the best. Okay, I thought this was a small waterfall and it's not as small as I thought. It's pretty big. Pretty cool.
Just no one can say it.
Huh?
Just no one knows how to say it.
Ellinjaa? Is it Ellinjaa? Something.
What do you reckon?
But it's definitely the fastest one we've seen.
Yeah.
Probably because it's in the rain, but it looks cool, that's for sure.
I think we're pretty lucky that it's started raining today. This thing is absolutely pumping, which is awesome. Not like the tallest waterfall, but it's really impressive from here.
Don't let the chicken get you, pecker. Don't let him peck you, pecker.
Alright, we're off, mate.
Oh, there's a rooster.
Oh, he's coming to get your pecker. He sees a little worm there.
Just on our way to the Narada Tea House for some lunch and maybe a tour. I don't know if they do tours. We are in Malanda. I always get it wrong and say Malanda, but we're in Malanda. We've checked in. We are at a farm camp and it is $40 a night for 2 adults and 2 children. And they have chickens, alpaca, goat, sheep, a pig which they've had to send off today because it was too big, which makes me sad. And yeah, we got some food, so we'll go back and feed them, but the park's pretty awesome. It does have some stairs out the back that go to the waterfall. Wow, look at those tea bushes. Hey.
Anyone in Malanda looking for a good feed, go to Narada Tea House. Had some of the best spaghetti of my life. It was $12.50 for the bowl. I think we'll come back for lunch and dinner tomorrow.
Hey guys, we are here at Narada Tea House and it is one of the largest tea plantations here in Australia. We came here to just come and have a look around and some lunch and we were actually pleasantly surprised. Owen got some spag bowl and I got the coconut chicken and it was like having my nan's cooking. It was delicious. And then we got the Devonshire tea for 2 with scones, and the tea we actually got was the Devonshire tea and it has vanilla and it was amazing, so beautiful. We actually should have bought some. Why didn't we buy any? We should have bought some. But if you are in Malanda, please come down here and have a look. Owen has planned this adventure today. Where are we? Where are we?
Where are we?
I don't know. Where are we? I know we're going to go see a fig tree, apparently. There's some really cool pathways through here.
I can already see a big tree from here.
Oh, wow.
Oh, the fig,
Wow.
the fig
Look at
tree must be even bigger then.
Okay, now I see why Owen has brought us here. We are at a huge curtain fig. It is insane. Let's go have a look. It's ginormous. And then it tells you on the sign here how it was actually made, which is really cool.
Those 3 trees connected to each other.
Wasn't it?
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Way more impressive than what I thought.
It's pretty hard to see it on the GoPro, but it's a giant fig tree. It's at least 50 meters in the air.
There's like thousands of roots coming from this tree. And it's huge. We are currently in Yungaburra. I always say it wrong, but we're in Yungaburra. It is the cutest little town ever. It is taking me back in time. We are now going to drive through the Atherton Tablelands and check some things out. Make sure you visit the information centre here. The guys there are super helpful and very passionate about their town.
So we're at Lake Eacham, which is part of the Atherton Tablelands, just near Malanda. And we've come here this afternoon for an awesome sunset. So this is a 50,000-year-old volcanic crater. It's about 68 meters deep in the middle. Awesome for scuba diving, fresh water, awesome to swim in. There was a sign over there that said there was a freshwater crocodile that gets around, but they're not deadly, so all good. You only get a little snip off them. But the boys are in. There's a few others here.
And apparently it's freezing.
Oh yeah, apparently it's cold.
Come on, chicken.
You better look at
I know, I was trying to so that you wouldn't feel the cold.
We were going to come here earlier today too, but we decided to wait, and I'm pretty glad we did. It's just sort of sun is setting now, and it's pretty awesome.
I just wanna spend every day with you. Happy with the little things we do.
Hey y'all, we've just left Malanda Falls Caravan Park for Cairns. We've just checked into the Cairns Coconut Holiday Park, and we are currently at the Cairns Lagoon. Owen's going to go get a massage.
Yeah, I'm about to head off and leave the crew, go down to Sydney for a running race before I rejoin them. So yeah, I'm going to go. So we're going to loosen up the muscles a bit.
Well, we chill out by the pool and get a tan and have a dip. See you soon. Rada Tea House here at Malanda, and as you can see, they're working away in the background. What are you? But it is one of the largest tea houses here in Australia, or the tea. What is it? Largest what? Tea house, not largest tea house.
Just tea plantation.
Okay. Afternoon. We have just left Malanda Fort.
I ain't got no wings. I'm so jealous of the wedge-tailed eagle. But it didn't bite eye. Well, the eagle's flying round and round, keeping 2 feet firmly on the ground. Now,
If you like Mummy's videos, hit like and subscribe and we'll make more.
Oh,